Alright everyone, it's time to start building the two elements that we need. The first element we're going to build is the element that's going to move in a straight line when the knight gets hit. So when I receive start knight, so it's going to appear as soon as the knight appears, and it's going to be his constant companion, although it's going to be invisible. Let's have a show to make sure that it's there on the screen. But we're also going to introduce something that's going to make it visible or invisible as we develop it. So just add set ghost effect, and to begin with let's just put it at 50 so that it's kind of faded away, which reminds us to make it invisible later. We're going to give it a costume, so we'll just give it the first costume. So set or switch costume to number 1 shield. We're going to set the size to 10% because we just want it to be a little element that guides the other element. Something for it to follow. To locate it on the screen, we're going to make it go to knight, and we'll make a new block called fly away. And this is going to govern the movement of this element. When the lightning hits the knight, it's going to fly away. So we just need it to move in a straight line until it hits the edge of the screen. So first, motion, point in direction. What direction do we want to point it in? Well, in the same direction as the lightning. So we grab the variable we made in the previous video, lightning direction. So it points in the direction of the lightning. And then it's going to keep moving in that direction until it hits the edge. So repeat until touching edge and move 10 steps. And then when it's finished doing that, we'll just have it return to the knight. So go to knight. Now lastly, we need this to trigger when the lightning hits the knight. So events when I receive, and we'll do a new one, and we'll call it lose armor. And we want it to start at the knight. So go to knight, and then we want it to fly away. Now this isn't going to be triggered by anything yet because it's just been made up, so we need to go to the knight and make sure that when the knight loses armor, it is going to trigger this. So we have this lose armor stat being called here, so let's just put it in there. So broadcast lose armor, and so that signal is going to go out when the knight loses armor, and it's going to tell the armor to fly away. Okay, let's see how that works. And you saw it fly off there. And let's just make sure that it always... There, you see it flew off in the direction to the right. So that seems to work. There it goes. Now it doesn't fly off every time we hit him, because not every hit causes him to lose armor. So only when he loses armor that it flies off. Okay, that's good for now, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for listening, and if you find this video useful, please hit like and subscribe.